Hello friends, it's Gloria Miller with People First Realty Group, and I am here to make another cooking video. But instead of just doing a cooking video, I thought maybe I would talk to you about something that has been on my heart for a little bit. So as you guys know, I love helping people. It is what brings me joy. This is why I do what I do. This is why this job is something that I never thought that I would fall into or that I would find, and yet here we are. So another thing that comes along with helping people is, one, teaching them how to make potato soup, right? But sometimes it's getting people into a path that they never thought about before. And while we cook this awesome potato soup that we're doing today, you can make it a vegan potato soup, or you can make it a not so vegan potato soup with some bacon. One of my biggest things that I love about my job is that I get to help people. So because I do love to help people in my job, you should know that I love to help people out of my job. And sometimes I'm going to give you unsolicited advice because my goal is to help people see their lives improved. So while we wait for our soup to cook, I'm going to tell you, if you are waiting to buy that house until the market gets better, don't wait. You're just going to be in a whole other group of people that are waiting. If you're going to be competing with a lot more people in 3 months than you are today. If you are waiting for the perfect time to go back to school, don't wait. You're missing on so many opportunities that could happen or will happen now. People, they say that the top 5 people you hang out with, that's who the people that you're going to become. Find those people that you want to be like and don't let go. All right. So if you're thinking about going to school, find somebody that has gone to school, that's in school, or maybe it's not in their time to go to school yet, but they're people that want those things for you and for themselves. If you settle for people that are not in that position, they're going to hold you back. Just like if you are telling people not to do something, you're holding them back. Now, there are obviously those good and bad exceptions, but don't wait. Take the opportunity. That same opportunity might not be here for you tomorrow. If you're waiting to better yourself, or if you're waiting to find somebody that you fall in love with and that they're going to make you better, don't wait. Do it for yourself. Become the person you want to be for yourself. I think a lot of people in dating relationships, we expect things, and I say this because I did it myself. We want to find the person that's going to make us and give us happiness. We want to find the person that is honest and true and responsible and predictable. But unless we are those things and we can give those things, we're not going to get those back. We're not going to find anyone that's willing to give those to us without us already being healthy and in that place. So if you're looking to find somebody that's going to make you better, do it for yourself. Go read a book. Go read 3 books. Just don't wait. So the whole purpose of this, what I'm telling you today, don't wait. Do it today. Whatever it is that you're thinking, we're getting ready to go into a new year. In the new year, even though people mock the goal setting and all of these things, technically, I don't make resolutions. I make goals. Because if a resolution, if it just doesn't happen, it didn't happen, right? But it's a goal. You have a plan. You're going to make a way and you're going to do it. And if you can't do it this year, that's okay. Move it. If you didn't get through it this year, do it the next one. The best thing about a new year is that it brings renewed hope for a different future, for a different outcome. Just don't do the same thing you did this year. Whatever it is that you're waiting for, don't wait. You know, a lot of the times we forget that God has opened a door or is calling us to do something because there's other people waiting for us to open up those opportunities. I never understood why God would bless me in a way that maybe other people were not. Why God would do something for me and not other people. It took a really long time for me to realize that God has put me in a place to be a blessing to others. God has put me in a place to be a teacher for others. God has put me in a place that I can talk to other people and tell them about my experience and give them hope. If that alone is all that it was going to be, it was good enough. So, starting today, don't wait. Do what you said you were going to do. Do it for yourself, not for anyone else. And if you have little ones in your life, you know what? When I say do it for yourself, I mean don't do it for society. Do it for yourself. But when you have little ones in your life that are depending on you, do it for yourself. And most of all, do it for them. They need you. They need you to reach your goals so you can teach them how to reach their own. Without you teaching them how to reach their goals, they're not going to understand what that concept means. And let me tell you, life is so much harder when you have to learn it on your own. To have a parent or a mentor or a person that can teach you that stuff and tell you it's okay. It's okay if you get it wrong sometimes because you have another opportunity. It's okay to do it. You know, you can't understand how valuable that is. So don't wait. Go out and do whatever it is that you've been waiting to do today. Don't wait till January 1st. Just go out and do it. We're going to put in the kale.